Hi, welcome to Baro In the City. This is Chef Jorge. Valentine's this year is going to be a little bit different. We're going to show you how to shuck oysters, how to pick oysters, and how to get some nice and simple garnishes to go with it. An oyster shocker, a cutting board, a dry towel, salt, egg whites, a bit of seaweed if you have any, some chilies, some jalapenos, a little bit of olive oil, any red onion or shallot that you can find, and some red wine vinegar. I'm going to show you how to shuck some oysters now. I'm just going to cover the oyster into the towel. I'm going to grab my shocker, clean it a little bit. Going to go into the top part, the incision in there, twist it. Don't put too much pressure. Keep cleaning your shocker. Start twisting the shell a little bit. Once you can tell that it's open, you just go straight on the top to be able to get a whole thing. You clean your knife, you go in the bottom, you deattach it, and it's ready. So now that you have your oysters shucked, we can start building some very, very easy garnishes. So we have a little bit of rock salt, some egg whites. I'm just gonna whisk. You don't have to go too crazy. You can just whisk quickly egg whites. I'm just gonna add a little bit of seaweed. Use it as a very, very easy garnish and just pops a little bit on the presentation. For the mignonette, you can use a shallot, you can use a red onion, you can use whatever really you want. Cut it. I'm gonna grab these onions and I'm just gonna mix a little bit of red wine vinegar into them. I'm gonna be doing a very, very simple chili oil. And I have some jalapenos here as well. You can just cut them the same shape. I'm using a little bit of olive oil. And now to finish garnishing them, we're gonna put a little bit of mignonette, and the same for the chili oil. And I like to finish with a little bit of chives. And that's it. Thank you guys for joining us. From the team at Baro, happy Valentine's, and follow us for more information and more videos. Gracias.